Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into TQQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of April, 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. During this time, the ETF has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 20.48% since we first recommended purchasing TQQQ 10 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 2.05% per day since it was designated as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the ETF's next direction, as it may move in either direction. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 33.05% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 73.28% to negative 33.05%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 4.6%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 44.45% to 32.09% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $36.72 and $87.33. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF price up more than 12.13% on Monday. The TQQQ ETF price gained 12.13% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. It rose from $58.96 to $66.11. During that trading day, the ETF fluctuated 3.62%, with a low of $63.85 and a high of $66.16. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 22.84% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, volume has risen on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 26 million more shares were traded than the previous day, with a total of 99 million shares bought and sold for approximately $6.530 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 29.51%, or $27.68, below the 52-week high, and 59.39%, or $96.68, below the all-time high reached on the 15th of January, 2018, when the price peaked at $162.79. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, commonly known as TQQQ, is currently attracting attention due to recent market volatility. Since Liberation Day, this exchange-traded fund has experienced significant directional movement, allowing investors to take advantage of these fluctuations. TQQQ's valuation has encountered challenges amid this turmoil, yet many see it as a buying opportunity, particularly for those focused on technology growth driven by artificial intelligence. This ETF is heavily weighted in key technology stocks, often referred to as the Magnificent Seven, which includes major players such as Microsoft, Apple, and Nvidia. These companies are well positioned for potential gains in the AI sector, with reports indicating robust revenue growth that reflects a thriving market. Furthermore, TSMC has reported strong year-over-year gains, adding to the optimistic outlook for AI-related investments. In the short term, TQQQ may experience fluctuations as market sentiment responds to ongoing volatility. However, the long-term perspective appears more favorable. Investors who are confident in the ongoing expansion of artificial intelligence and the resilience of major tech companies might find TQQQ appealing, as it could benefit from any upward trends in the technology sector. As the ETF celebrates its 15th anniversary, it boasts over $25 billion in assets. This historical context, alongside its current positioning, indicates that TQQQ continues to be a vital option for those navigating leveraged ETFs in a challenging market environment. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. The TQQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. There is also a general buy signal from the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $59.45 and $53.67. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and thus far it has risen by 69% and 0.95. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, observed 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, detected 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, identified 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, seen 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal, recorded 14 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, occurred 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal, marked 47 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $59.81 and $59.11. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level since, if this is breached, the fund may then decline to the next support level. In this case, TQQQ finds support just below today's level at $59.81. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $59.11 and $52.61. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and due to a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the fund moved $2.31 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.62%. For the past week, the fund has had a daily average volatility of 4.49%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $67.42. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ encounters its first support level at $59.81. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $63.98, reflecting a decrease of 3.22%. This exchange-traded fund experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 89, which further elevates the risk factor. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is TQQQ ETF a good buy? TQQQ holds several positive signals, but we still do not consider these sufficient for it to be a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, allowing for accumulation while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we anticipate that TQQQ will open lower by approximately 736 cents, starting at $65.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.